Welcome to man-rays, 10 vlogs and more. So my wife was meant to do it, but she got busy. So I need to do that. Been painting. Been painting. Next time, people. Next time. Right. What was I gonna say? Can't remember. Okay, so my wife was meant to do an unboxing of something I got for her editing PC. But she's been too busy, and I want to open it to make sure it's working and set it up. So this is not a review. This is an old school unboxing. It's called Sanyun. I don't know, right? It's spelled Sanyun. Boop. This way. Right here. This thing here. This thing. Is it in my mind frame? I don't know how to do this anymore. It's this way. I mean, I can do it. Right. These speakers. Somewhere. These speakers here. These really nice speakers. Got them from Amazon for £59. 60 watts. Got like 24-bit something and something other thing. So I got a new screen, 4K screen. Had no built-in sound. Sounded important to her, but she needs at least something that doesn't sound terrible, because if you're shooting something and you can't tell the audio is crap and you edit it and upload it, you sound like crap, you know? So I'm gonna buy myself some, but these ones, this Sanyun is going to her, the white ones. I'm probably gonna get white ones too, to be honest. So right now I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing. There's no testing going on this video, nothing like that. I'm just gonna open this up and see how they look. I'm gonna take this. Go fix it. Does it go fix it? Or I fix it? I fix it, not go fix it. You should go fix stuff though, with I fix it. See how I did. I think I'm gonna turn this other light off because I don't like it on my face. There you go. That's better. Better scene. Alright. Way more contrasty, I think. I'm testing right now today. Today is me testing my stuff out. So we'll see how much better or worse it is depending on having that extra light on or not. So, box. See, that's what that light's for. Alright, cool. Watch this. So how much the difference that made? Now you can see inside the box. It's the box, it's the box. Like wrapping, all that kind of stuff. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. I unboxed. Now, let's unwrap. So this is... I have no idea what this is, to be honest. We'll see in a minute. Okay. These are the audio jack. 3.5, blah, 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 blah. Right? And then this is type A to USB-C. I have no idea what this is for, but thanks. Maybe to power it. Yeah, there's no other cables. This is the power cable, type A. Then some audio cables. That's good. I can plug this into the computer. These are meant to be desktop speakers. That's good. They are 60 watts. So good. Alright, cool. Got that sorted. No, I'm lying. There's the power cable. Okay. Then I don't know what it's for. I guess we'll see in a minute. This is a booklet. Right. Look at the lens. Look at the lens, people. I can do it. You can look at the lens and not the screen. Promise. Okay? So those are those things. Let's get to the main reason for this video. Okay. It does look nice. I'm not gonna lie, people. These look premium. What does this? What's on the back of it? So, why does it come with a normal audio jack if This comes with a non-normal audio jack, like an AX jack. You know, one of those really nice ones. One sec. See, come on, you can do it. Yeah, I'm here. I know. Okay, I'm gonna same box. See, not normal audio jack back, and it has no ports on the back. Yeah, nada. Does look nice, people. I haven't showed it properly. There it is. 60 watts altogether, these two. So I'm guessing 30 maybe? Something similar. I'm hoping this one's got like a normal jack on it. Well, this PC does not have a place for this thing to be plugged in. Okay, thank God. Normal AX. Normal one. Hopefully see. So that's what that looks like, people. Power bit. If you want to go optical, yeah, that's what it's called, optical audio thing, like SPDIF similar, right? I'm guessing. It's got Bluetooth if you want to use Bluetooth. We're not using Bluetooth. Crappy sound over Bluetooth for the most part for these cheap things. So we're just gonna be using this normal audio jack. That's kind of cool. Let's put them together and see this scene. There you go. There you go, people. Where's this one? This inverted stuff is annoying, people. I can't. Left is right, right is left. There you go. Look, just do this. Just do them. Facing front ways. Okay, got that. And this one. Do it. Okay. Unboxing done. There's one. In focus. There's two. In focus. Alright. Share, like, and subscribe. Maybe at some point I'll do a small audio test. Not sure how to do that yet, but alright. Share, like, and subscribe. Links to these will be in the description. And let's take for some more. Share, like, and subscribe. Peace. I'm back. Made a mistake, people. Made a mistake. So I just fast forwarded from where I said share, like, subscribe, and I will not cut. Bring this back later. Look. It's got nice little dials on the side. I didn't even realise. Look at that. It's nice, cute. Yeah, okay, I need to be in it with it because it's got human face detection. So unless I'm in the picture, I don't have to focus. There. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see how close I can get. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Volume mode, treble, and bass. And I figured out what this one's for, by the way. This one here is to connect to the other speaker. So one speaker connects through this, and then this one goes into the computer. Right? My bad, my oversight. Alright, shall I subscribe again? No more mistakes. I'm not coming back to